Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Newberry County in central South Carolina, Saluda County in central South Carolina, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buffalo to near Cross Hill to near Troy, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Newberry, Saluda, Whitmire, Prosperity, Saluda County Airport, Newberry College, Newberry County Airport, Blair, Pomoria, Silver Street, Saluda Company Sheriff's Office, US 176 and South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Good Hope, Henderson Island, Belfast Wildlife Management Area, Hollywood Elementary School, Emory, Chapels Fire Station, NLE Ranger District Office, and Stony Hill. This includes Interstate 26 between mile marker 62 and 85. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for strong winds capable of producing significant damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry.